Grabovoi, concentration exercises. 28th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On this day of the month, you should perform the same concentration exercise that you did on the 8th day, but with the following important distinction. You have probably noticed that on the previous day, the 27th day of the month, when you performed the concentration exercise in a certain way, the numbers 2 and 7 were added together. 2 plus 7 equals 9. In this instance, the situation is different. The number 28 contains the numbers 2 and 8. Here, you should multiply 2 by 8. In this case, the 8 is doubled, which is precisely why this exercise from day 8 is repeated. However, this repetition should not be automatic. It should not be an exact copy of your previous work. You must change something, and the change must primarily affect something within yourself. For example, your vision of this particular concentration technique. While performing the exercise according to the former technique, you should find something new in it and view it from a different angle. Your understanding and perception of this concentration exercise should expand and deepen continually. This is a creative process that furthers your development. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 8, 5, 4, 5, 1, 2. 9-digit sequence. 1, 9, 5, 8, 1, 4, 2, 1, 0. Exercise number 3. Look at yourself the same way that you see the entire world, all at the same time. Look at the Creator the same way that the Creator sees you, and acquire through this an understanding of what the Creator wants from you. Look at His gaze, and you will see His gaze. You will see that the Creator's gaze is also directed toward the distant phenomena of the world. It is your goal to learn how to control these phenomena. You must make any phenomena of the world harmonious. This is your true goal. You must initiate and create worlds that will always be harmonious. And this is your true mission from the way you have been created. He, the Creator, has already created, and He, the Creator, has already made it. And your goal is to follow this path because you have been created in the image and likeness, just as the Creator Himself was created. The Creator has created Himself, but He has also created you. Create yourself and create others. Create all others and give them universal well-being and prosperity, and you will have the world that was created for you, for all, and for the Creator. Create for the Creator, for He has created you. Create for the Creator, for He has created everything. And this is why anything you might, you always create for Him.